How do you usually combine two stat models? Before moving to the video, for those who are really busy and don't want to waste time hearing a detailed explanation of model merging process, you can go to last minutes of the video to see the program in action and the procedure to obtain the tool for free trial. But I highly recommend watching the video in full so that you understand the process, what are the limitations and how well you can use this particular tool. With this said, let us proceed. So, coming back to combining two STAAD models, with my experience in steel design for the past 7 years, I have faced this experience quite a lot. On an average, at least 2 times per month on the projects which I handle alone. This is totally my average, so it might vary as per the volume of projects one handles. If you're about to handle more projects than me, then probably that number would be far more higher than mine. Our interest is not that numbers, right? But how we actually combine two STAAD models. And to be more precise, how long will it take? Let's demystify the process. Each STAAD analysis model is unique. It contains information of nodes, in the sense node ID, X, Y, and Z coordinates of the nodes. Then the member details, which indicates the global positioning of that member by indicating the start and end node of that member. So the members are actually related to nodes and specifications. Each member have a unique specification like beta, offset, releases, stress or tension. They are totally member specific, and the specifications are not for members alone. We have specifications for nodes as well, like dependent and control nodes. Then we move on to the support details, which is node specific again. Continuing the line, here comes the most important detail, loads, which may be related to a node, a member, a plate, or a group, or even a floor. Lot of dependencies, right? Then the load combinations, and finally the design parameter. In order to combine two STAAD models, the basic skeleton should vary from each other, which means two models can have same loading information, same support information, totally identical member length, same parameter and specifications, and so on. But to combine them, they cannot have the same node and beam IDs, right? The first thing is to change the beam and node number of the entire model, which is done in the graphical user interface. This will automatically update the things in the input file, right? Next important thing is to ensure that both the models occupy different locations in a 3D model space. Because if they were in overlapping positions in the space, then the model will be a total mess. So we need to move our nodes in such a way that it will not foul with the other one, right? Once it is done, then we need to check whether everything is combined properly and redo the load combination and other necessary changes and position the second model in the first one properly. It is a long, tiresome process, right? As per my analogy, it will probably take around 30 minutes of time as minimum to complete this process without any mistake. You got my point, right? This detailed briefing is just to say this process is time consuming and hope you got it. Now, how to do the same process with less work and less time? Here comes our STAT model merger, which combines all the above mentioned steps. All we are supposed to do is combine the loads and then create a load combination. Rest of the thing is fully automated. Let's see the program in action. We will be firstly selecting the models, pressing a button, and then saving a file. And that's all. It's cool, right? Now, I know the one question that everyone asks, how to get this tool? To answer that one, it is not yet available in my website. So whoever want to try this tool for free can drop a comment indicating their mail ID in the comment section. I will be dropping out the program in trial version for 1 month to the first 100 comments. Hurry up and grab one. If you are interested in such automation programs, I have free automation tools in my website and I have made a video on those things. Please do check out the videos which are listed here. We'll be catching you guys in the next video. Bye.